Controlling uric acid is vital for managing conditions like gout and kidney stones. High uric acid levels can lead to uric crystals forming, which can cause pain in joints. We can control uric acid by stay hydrated, avoid crash diets, manage exercise, include low-fat dairy. Low-fat dairy products, such as milk and yogurt, have been associated with lower uric acid. They are also a good source of protein. Choose complex carbohydrates. Foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are beneficial for uric acid levels. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight increases the risk of elevated uric acid levels. Losing weight gradually and maintaining a healthy weight can help lower uric acid levels. Medications. It may be prescribed to lower uric acid levels. Vegetables and fruits also reduce uric acid levels and keep us healthy. These are some important remedies that control uric acid. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.